Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you learn how to create a fully automated Excel dashboard using Chart GPT. With just one click, you'll turn raw data into this professional interactive dashboard. Download the file from the link in the description below and we'll build this dashboard together step by step. Let's get it started. This is the data that we'll be working with. This is the date, customer name, customer type, service, department, city or country, sales amount, margin in percentage, the margin amount, sales type, there is repeat sale and new sale, customer source, walk-in and ads. Then we have package type, annual, biannual, quarterly, or biannual. So let's copy part of this table. We are going to analyze it in Chart GPT, then open a Chart GPT, then paste it. Then go to our first prompt. Then let's copy the first prompt. Here we're going to tell ChatGPT to carefully analyze the data and suggest what information we should display on the dashboard. So copy it, then paste it here. You're basically telling ChatGPT to carefully analyze this data and suggest what information we should display on our dashboard. So ChatGPT is analyzing it. So these are the key metrics: the total sales, total margin amount, average margin, total number of sales, new versus repeat, then sell by customer type. Then these are the recommended charts. Then we have sales by department. These are the charts ChatGPT has recommended for us. Okay. And also the graphs. Okay, so let's do the dashboard layout. Go to insert. So you can just insert the shapes like that. Remember, we are building 9 shapes to put our metrics and graphs. And do the 9 shapes like that. But this is taking a lot of time. So you're going to ask ChatGPT to do it for us. So copy the second prompt. Copy. Then go to ChatGPT, paste it. Then press enter. ChatGPT is going to come up with VBA code that you're going to paste, to copy and paste. ChatGPT is still analyzing the data. Okay. Now let's copy it. Let's go back to our Excel, then press Alt F1, Alt F11, sorry, Alt F11, go to Insert, then Model, then paste it here, then save the file as macros enabled. Okay, save, then go back to your Excel, go to Developer tab, then click Insert, pick a box, then let's draw it here, then assign a macro. Okay, create dashboard card. Okay, then let's rename it to create dashboard cards. create dashboard cards, then press it. Wow, it has said dashboard cards successfully created on dashboard, then press OK. Okay, this is our layout. Let's resize this a bit. So we want to push this aside so that we create our header. Copy and then let's insert a space. So let's copy this and paste it here, then resize it. This way we are going to put our title. Okay, so we are going to add the titles to the key metrics and shapes. So go to insert, then go to text box, then let's put it here. Let's pick the text box again. Let's draw it here. Let's rename it total sales. Total sales. Let's format it. Go to shape, fill, then pick no fill, outline, no outline. And let's change the font to 18. Then bold. So let's pick a theme. Let's go with the basis. Let's pick a font color. Go to home. Then let's go with green. Okay, then make it bold. Okay, so let me fast forward this. Do the same to all the charts. Just copy it, re-edit it, do it to all the charts. Okay, so let's go to our header. Let's pick a color fill. Let's go with that green. Okay. So let's go to insert. We're going to insert a text box. Pick the text box. Let's draw it here. Then let's go with let's pick a font. Let's go with 36. Sales, analytics, dashboard. So let's format it. Go to shape, pick shape fill, no fill. Go to outline, go to home. Let's pick a font color. Let's go with the white. Let's pick white again. Let's highlight it. Pick white, make it bold. let's increase the font a bit. Let's push it somewhere there. Okay. So let's rename this to data. Okay, let's add another tab. Let's name it pivot. This is where we're going to create our pivot tables. Let's go back to our data. Let's add other columns. Control Shift plus. This is the month. And this is the year. So we are going to use the text function is equals to text. Press tab. Pick where your date is, comma, then inverted commas, then then inverted commas, then close the bracket. Okay. Then double click it down. Is equals to text. Pick your date is, then inverted commas, y, then enter. Double click. So press Ctrl T to change this to table. The next thing we are going to create pivot tables using the Chart GPT. So first of all, let's go to the third prompt. Let's copy it. So let's go to data. Let's rename this table to sales data. Sales data. Okay. So let's go back to our prompt. Let's copy it. Okay, copy it. Then let's go to our Chart GPT. Paste it here. So basically, we're telling Chart GPT to come up with VBA codes for the 10 pivot tables that you're supposed to create. Okay. So let's copy the VBA code. Let's go back to our Excel. Then go to insert module. Then copy it here. Then save. Then let's go back to our Excel file. Go back to our pivots. Go to developer. Click insert. Pick that box. Then let's draw it here. This is where we're going to assign our macro. Then assign the macro. Press OK. Then rename it. Generate pivot tables. So let's click it. Nice. All the pivot tables have been created. Scroll down and see. In just few seconds. Let's go back to our dashboard. We want to create the charts. So we also want to generate graphs and charts using Chart GPT. So just copy the code, the prompt, copy it. So we're going to tell Chart GPT to generate charts for us. Let's go to, no, not there. Let's go to Chart GPT first. Then let's paste it down here. Paste, then press enter. It has started generating the VBA macro. Then copy it. Go to Visual Basic Editor. I think the VBA editor. Then save. Then let's go back to Excel. Where on the dashboard tab, go to Developer tab, click Insert, click the box. Let's draw it here. Then assign the macro. Then rename it. Generate. Generate dashboard. So let's click it. Then press OK. So with a single click, you've seen that we've already created the charts and graphs. So the next thing you're going to do is to format them. Click this one. Remove the year. Left click. Hide the buttons. So let's click the plus. Then remove the axis title. Remove the grid lines. Remove the legend. Okay. No fill. No borderline. Okay. Change chart type to line chart. Line with markers. Okay, nice. So let's change the color to the markers. Let's go with the into home. Pick that orange. Okay, it's nice. Pick no fill, no borderline. Let's go to the second one. Let's delete the title. So let's hide all these. Hide all the buttons. Let's resize it a bit. Okay, customer service. Let's click this one to reformat. Okay, change that one. Let's change the explosion to 5%. Check the data labels. Then let's resize it. Size. Okay, now it's looking nice. Then let's cancel this. Then let's go to the donut chart. Hide all the filled button on the chart. Right click and hide. remove the title, then no fill, then let's go to the explosion, donut explosion. Let's go with 10% and this donut hole size to 20%. So let's resize it. Let's add data labels. Go to more options. Okay. Now it's okay. Let's format this. Click on the customer name. Go to value filters, top 10. Then let's pick 5. We want to do top 5 customers. Then press OK. Then no fill. Then let's change the chart type. Let's go with the clustered bar chart. Then press OK. Then let's hide all the buttons. Remove the grid lines. Then remove the title. Then let's resize it. Then click on the shapes. Then go to format. We want to give it an orange outline. Nice. So let's format this one too. Just come here and hide all the filled buttons on the chart. Remove the title. Then no fill. So let's remove the grid lines and legend. Then no fill. Click on the columns. Go to shape, shape outline. Let's go with orange. Okay. Let's go to this chart. Hide all the filled buttons. Then remove the chart, the title. Then no fill. Let's go to the legend. Let's put them at the bottom. Click bottom. Nice. Let's format this one. So in this chart, we're going to remain with the month. We're going to do it month by month. So we have to remove the year. Let's start by removing the title. Let's cancel that. Show field list, then uncheck here. Then let's change the chart type. So we are going to go with the line chart with markers. Nice. Let's cancel that. Then we don't need a fill color. Press no fill. Then let's remove the grid lines. And check it. So hide these ones. Hide all the buttons. Nice. Let's resize it a bit. No fill. The next thing we are going to add the values to the key metrics. So go to insert. Go to insert, pick a text box. Let's draw it here. Then equal. Let's go to our pivot table tab. Pick it. Then we only need the cell reference. You can't reference to a pivot table. So let's pick A2. Then press enter. Okay, let's format it. Let's go with 22. Let's format it. Go to shape. We don't need a fill color. Then no fill. Outline, no outline. Let's push it up a bit. Then let's go back to the pivot table. Then add a separator. We don't need the decimals, so remove them. So whatever we've done to the two, we are going to do to the rest. So let's edit this. Format paint. Nice. Copy it, paste. Then paste another one for the repeat customer. Let's put this one here and this other one. So let's resize that one and center it. Okay, for the new customer, let's go back to our pivot tables. So let's pick its B12. B12. So we have to reference that particular cell. B12. Then press OK. Format paint. This one is B13. B13. Just format this to B13. B. Then 13. Then press OK. Format paint. OK. Then resize it. The next thing we're going to do is to make this dashboard dynamic by adding slicers. So the first thing is to click anywhere in any chart. Just click any chart. Then go to insert. Then pick a slicer. So let's go with here. Press OK. Then resize it. Let's go with 2 columns. Then resize. Pick it and drop it there. Resize it again. So you can see it's only the size trend that changes. So to make it dynamic, right click, then go to report connection, then check all the pivot tables. This one is just establishing a connection between the slicers and all the pivot tables that created the charts. Remember to check everything. Same step, click on the chart, insert slicer. Let's go with city, then press OK. Then go to columns, then resize this one. Then put it up here. Let's create more space for an additional slicer. Okay. Let's report connection. Same step. Check all the pivot tables. This will make our dashboard dynamic. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, fully dynamic, fully interactive. Let's create the last slicer. Then press slicer, then let's go with the cell type. No, let's change this one. Let's delete it. Let's pick another one. Customer type. Okay. Let's resize. In 2 columns. Resize it. And put it up here. So we have to create some additional space. So we have to make this one dynamic too. Let's resize it a bit fast, then click, then go to report connection. Check all the pivot tables. Then press OK. So this is our pivot table. This is our dashboard, sorry. Let's try it out. Fully dynamic, very interactive. You can try it out. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, comment, like, share, and follow. Goodbye.